Guess what? You do not need to be tech savvy to start an online business. When I started building my online business, I was not tech savvy. I was totally clueless, dumbfounded, illiterate, incompetent to even put together a capture page. Besides, I never knew what was a capture page, a funnel design, a lead magnet, technical integrations to combine to make your system function effectively and efficiently to operate without you being present in the transaction. I was dumbfounded. So if you want a done for you system setup that can assist you to work with you on your behalf 24/7, and I'll teach you the 2-hour day, which high income producing activities to implement to see yourself generating leads, and that leads can converting into sales. So if you want to learn funnel design, email automation setup, lead magnet creation, technical integration, you do not need to be tech savvy. I do everything for you. I assist you with this. Book your done for you funnel today and start generating leads this week and start launching your business in 3 to 4 days time. Let's do this. Comment ready for more.